Writing fidgets. 10, 5, 2, 9.5, 9 3/4, 6, 10. Guys, I just went fidget shopping. Let me show you what I got. This unicorn puppet, this wacky track, this pig monkey noodle. That's all. Bye. Honestly, I gotta pick a fidget out of these lot of fidgets. Which one should I choose to trade with someone? I'll probably choose this one. Unicorn squishy, going once, going twice. May I have an offer for your unicorn squishy? What is it? I'll offer you this unicorn puppet. Okay guys, I think I've done it already. I'm just gonna get it. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I literally have 2 of these anyway, so I needed to trade that one. So yeah. Bye. Arranging fidgets badly. Versus nicely. Arranging fidget pack. We're ready to go. Here's your order, miss. Thank you. Your fidget if you like. Your fidget if you follow. Your fidget if you subscribe. Your fidgets if you share. Your fidgets if you do all of these stuff.